and welcome back to my YouTube channel English with Yati. I hope you all are doing well and learning English every day. So once again I am here to practice of my English speaking skill, and it's day 22 of my English learning journey, and in this video I am going to share with you how I learned the difference between sa and sha. Yeah, and it's afternoon, and right now I'm making this video in the afternoon. It's around 1 p.m. and right now I'm shooting this video to upload on YouTube. Anyway, let's talk about our topic. So what happened at the time? I was in my 9th standard. Yeah, and at the time my English social science teacher was really very good, and she had completed all the lessons and very well, and our examination was about to begin. So at the time just revision was going on, and one day she asked to all the students, like, you guys have to revise one chapter, one lesson, and have to find out the questions, like objective type question, and with their answers you guys have to write them also in your note. So we just did as she said, and as we all know that social science questions, like objective type question especially, becomes little hard. Like every time I only ask about events, year, and so many questions like this. What happened in 1990, what happened in 1992, what happened in 1996. Yeah, it was just like this. So we just completed the task at our home, and next day we came back to our school. So when our social science period started, so our teacher came and just started calling the students, and it was not like that she was calling every students one by one, because there was 60 students, so it was difficult to call every students. Yeah, there it was like our teacher was choosing a student, like you have to come, I should say, like selecting a student, like you have to come here and ask question, and the rest of the student would raise their hand, and yeah, like this, raise their hand. And there were so many students, so like there was 60 students, so if 20 and 50 students knows the answer, so they can raise their hand, and our teacher would tell that you have to reply, or you have to answer of this question. Yeah, it was like this. So after some time she also called me to the front of the classroom, so I just started asking question, and while asking question I came across a word that was, I still remember that word, that was a sahi. Yeah, it was shahi, and instead of pronouncing it shahi, I pronounced sahi. So she said, like, pronounce it again. Yeah, my teacher said it, like, pronounce it again. So I pronounced sahi. Yeah, and she said once again, she said pronounce it one more time. So I repeated, like, sahi. So she asked me to write the same word on the board, so I wrote correct, but I was pronouncing wrong. So she said, like, you are writing right, means correct, but why are you pronouncing it wrong? Yeah, it would be not this, it would be this. She means told me so many times, but I don't know why I was pronouncing wrong, because she told me so many times, but I was just repeating the same mistake again and again. So she said me several times to repeat that word, and I repeated, but actually I was pronouncing wrong. Yeah, wrong. Like, I was not saying like shahi, I was saying again and again sahi. Yeah, and then soon that period ended, and my teacher, before lefting, she said to all the students, like, you guys have to help her to pronounce this word. Although it was very easy, but I wasn't able to pronounce. Yeah, it still means right now I'm able to pronounce it very well, but that time I don't know why I was pronouncing wrong. And then just that period ended up, and my teacher went, and that after that lunch started, and everyone just started taking their lunch, and it is really very easy to pronounce, but I don't know why I was pronouncing wrong. Yeah, it was not actually in English, it was in Hindi. Yeah, in Hindi, like shahi. So this word was in Hindi. I studied in Hindi medium school, so yeah, it was Hindi word, like shahi. And in English, like we found so many words in English, like sometimes we say sha and sometimes we say sa. Like if I talk about a word sugar, so if I talk about spelling, so it is sugar. But if I pronounce it, so it pronounced as sugar. So, and if I talk about sun, so that is sun, but it is pronounced sun. So similarly it was also in Hindi, and in Hindi it is really easy to pronounce, but in English it's little difficult to find that where to pronounce sha and where to pronounce sa. So yeah, it became a story for me. So yeah, I just told this story because I wanted to practice, and yeah, I wanted to practice actually, and nothing was coming inside my mind. So I just spoke whatever came. So I just told this story to all of you, and I hope you learn something interesting with this video. Now I will be back with my 23rd of my English learning journey. Till then, bye bye.